Hi everybody, this is Ileana from Cherishurmemories, and I wanted to share with you my DT haul for the month of February and for Country Craft Creations. And you can purchase what I'm going to show you from countrycraftcreations.com. And let me show you here what I got for one of the things to work with. It is the We Are Memory Keepers Circle, Spin, and Trim. Now, if you are starting to get into scrapbooking, or you don't have anything that makes circles, this is a great product to have. So basically here, let's scroll you down guys a little bit closer. Here we go. So basically what you do is you lift it up. That was a little too close, sorry guys. Alright, so you open it up as you see here. And it has, it's made out of plastic, and it has these little grooves so you can kind of like click onto the paper. And let me see if I have a piece of paper here so we can show you real quick. So basically you put your paper down, you lock it in. Now once you, I'm just for purposes, video purposes, I'm just going to click it so you can see it like that. But let's say I have it here for, you would, hold on, explain this better. It comes with two of these little cutters, okay? So you got one here and you have one here. And this is what they look like. They're tiny, they're small. And these little grooves here on each side is what you put in these little tiny grooves that are here. So I can show you here. Get closer here. There we go. So with these little grooves, there's different sizes. So we have here the biggest size it comes with is an 8, 7.5, 7, 6.5, 6, and it goes like that. Okay, so let's say we're going to make ourselves a 4-inch circle. All you do is you follow the little line here. See if he wants to behave for video purposes. And all you do is stick the little cutter. So you can, I'm trying to do it so you guys could see in the video. Like I said, I'm not a real big, still doing the tutorial thingy here. Hold on. It's not that hard. Trust me, it's not that hard. There we go. Okay. I'm trying to do it so my fat hands don't be in the way. But see, so it holds on to here. And here we have a 4-inch circle. So we would put our paper here and it clicks down. Okay, let's go here so you can see. So it holds down onto the paper good once you hear it. It kind of makes a little hole into the paper if you have a big piece of paper. You can use any size paper, but along the way I'll show you a couple tips and stuff so we can use, so we don't waste so much paper. But all you need to do is leave it on the 4-inch here, and you take your little spinner. This doesn't come out, it stays there to help you. And you go and you spin it clockwise. Now if you're using a stronger or a thicker piece of cardstock or paper, because I know some of these pattern papers can be kind of thick, you want to just go around maybe 2 or 3 times. But the nice thing about it is you don't have to hold on to the paper. You don't have to trim it with your hands. It's good for people that have arthritis. Once in a while I get arthritis here, so I know exactly what I'm talking about. But it's good, it's just and voila. So take it off, and there you have your perfect circle. See, cute, right? And you know, you can do it all the way as small as a 1-inch and as big, like I said, as to an 8-inch. I made a project already with this real quick, just so I can show you. Once again, with these little circles. So what I did was I made a banner. Oops. There we go. Bear with me. Let me back up some so you can see better on my table. Get this out of the way. Okay. So I made a banner here with my baby girl's picture. And The papers that I used here for the smaller circles are from the So Lovely from Authentique. Is it Authentique? I believe it's Authentique. Nope, nope. Cartabella. Sorry. Cartabella. Show you the cover. See? So Lovely from Cartabella. Right there. Not sure why I thought this was an Authentique, but just so you can see how cute these papers are. It's flowers, bobbins, that wood grain, some sewing, like sewing patterns on the paper, measurements, little scissors, bobbins, arrows, some doilies, some more measurements, and then it kind of repeats itself. Oop. Here we have like some that you can cut apart here. And then here it looks like those dress forms to cut out. Some more scissors here. But this here measures, I think I wrote it down here. The big circle measures, it was the biggest one here. Yeah, this is 6.5. Then this came down to 6. 5.5, 5, 4, 4.5. Basically, that's how I measured it down. And look how simple it was to make, you know. And we'll make one together in another video. I added some rosettes. Now these are Tim Holtz rosettes from those little thinlits. But you can make your own rosettes, and I added some little diamond and some bling. But it's simple. And if you want to make them as little gifts or hang them in your craft room, you know, I want to say it took me maybe 20 minutes the most to make it. Yeah, it's definitely a really cute project to work with. You know, I'm gonna hang it up by my TV area. Once you guys see my tour of my room video, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about when I say hang above my TV. But here are some bobbins here, and these circles here are cut at 2.5 inches. These are 2.5 inches, and then these are 2 inches. Here, all these guys here. And all I did was I added some pink and white baker's twine, so it's lightweight. And all you have to do is cut a little circle, put a little nail. You can hang them, and then you can change them. So you can make it, you know, different holidays and interchange the pictures, change up the pictures. It doesn't have to be a circle picture of a picture. It could be, you know, any kind of pattern paper that you want as well. Added some diamonds here. Yeah, I like it. I really like that circle cutter. It's really cute. It's handy. You just put it in the same area that you place your cutter and your scoreboard, and you can definitely make a lot of projects with that cutter. Let me show it to you one last time. And it's pretty simple. You had to bear with me because getting the camera 100% so you can see everything. But see, it comes out here. Use this a little piece, like I said. And then you can just place it when you're done. If you're going to store it for a while and not use it, you can put it in here. And you take it out and you use it. These are the prongs here that hold the paper down. So for instance, also, like if you're going to use a for instance a 6x6, you can either trim this part or you can leave it, let it be. But what you would do is you would just add on 2 pieces of tape here just to keep the paper still, because this helps you to cut out some of the bigger circles, which we definitely need at least an 8.5 by 11 paper. But for the smaller ones, you would just have to keep it down, just like you would do with cutting smaller dies through a die cut, where you put a little bit of tape after you stamp the image. Same concept. So let me get some tape so we can show you really quickly. And see, just all you need is one little roll to the side. Put this down. See, and you just make sure that you what's it called? You know, make sure that it's placed down tight. And let's say we want a, I don't know, we'll do a, I don't know, just a 2-inch. So we just want to make sure that we line it right. And then we place it in. See how easy that was now? First times always wants to give me a hard time. But see, the paper now that has that little piece of tape on it, it's not going to go anywhere. So then, like I said, we just roll it around. And I like to, like I said, like to double the, make sure that it cuts. So I like to double it around. Lift it up. And what do we have? Take this off. And you still have enough space on your paper to cut out a few more. I'm just doing it quickly so you can see. But there you goes your 2-inch circle. Perfect. You don't have to do any fussy cutting. You don't have to have punches and hurt your fingers with these punches, because I know some of these punches after a while they start hurting your hands. So this is definitely a very good investment. I would say to go ahead and purchase this, and you can purchase it, like I said, once again at Country Craft Creations. And definitely I will show you, we will work on a few more projects, possibly a card. Maybe we'll do a card and add on some circles. We could even use these as some of the inserts for some of the rosettes. Let me see if I have a rosette somewhere here. Let me show you. Oops, sorry. There went the room. But an example, you can form your rosette and get your circle. Of course, you would want to make it smaller or a bigger rosette, but just to show you. See, there you go. See? Let's pretend this is a gold paper, and you'd put it on here, and voila. Look how pretty that would be. So, we're definitely going to do some more projects with this, and I'm definitely going to throw out a couple more videos showing all the cute things that you can make using the circle punch. And once again, it is called, so I can definitely show you the color here. I took off the plastic. I don't know what I did with the plastic, but it's a circle spit and trim from We Are Memory Keepers. Okay? Don't forget, countrycraftcreations.com is where you can purchase it at. Okay? She has great deals, really fast shipping, so you can hurry up and order that and have it ready, so when we post some videos up, we can make some projects together. Alright, you guys, thank you and take care, and thanks for watching. Bye!